Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. One of most important reason why it says your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes is you have entered the incorrect password multiple times. Your Apple ID account gave you many chance to enter the correct password before locking you out. Solution 1. Click on Settings app. In setting page, click on Apple ID username at top of the page. Click on Password and Security. Click on Change Password. Wait few seconds here. Enter your new password and verify password. Make sure both passwords should be same. Solution 2. Click on Settings app. Completely scroll down and click on Sign Out. And sign out your Apple ID. And sign in back. Again click on Settings app. Click on Sign into your iPhone. Enter your Apple ID and password and sign in back your Apple ID. Solution 3. This issue appears if you have unpaid purchases for a long time. Your account may have been disabled in the App Store or iTunes. Your account may have been disabled in the App Store or iTunes. First, you need to pay for your unpaid purchases. Solution 4. Contact Apple Support. Click on Safari app. Type and search supportapple.com. Choose a device that you problem with. Choose issue. You will be asked for your Apple ID and then you can start a chartered send email to them. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.